Mozilla has released Thunderbird 1.36.0, introducing several enhancements and marking a shift to monthly release cycles. Key features in Thunderbird 1.3.6.0. Dark mode adaptation. Emails now automatically adjust to dark mode settings, ensuring a consistent viewing experience. A toggle in the header allows users to switch this feature on or off as needed. Appearance settings. A new appearance panel in the settings enables global control over message threading and sorting. Users can set default preferences for new folders, such as viewing messages as unthreaded, threaded, or grouped, and sorting by date, subject, sender, and more. Notable fixes and improvements. Unified folders resolved issues where some messages were incorrectly threaded in unified folders, enhancing the accuracy of message organization. High DPI display. Support address problems where clicked addresses and headers appeared off-screen for users with high DPI displays, improving overall usability. Attachment management fixed issues where deleting or detaching attachments in saved .eml files appeared to work but failed, ensuring reliable attachment handling. Performance enhancements. Improved performance for users with numerous folders, particularly when resizing message panes, leading to a smoother user experience. Transition to monthly releases. Starting with this version, Thunderbird aligns its release schedule with Mozilla Firefox, moving to monthly major updates. This change allows users to access new features and improvements more frequently, enhancing the overall functionality and security of the application. Security updates. This release also includes several security fixes. Users are encouraged to review the security advisory for a comprehensive list of addressed vulnerabilities. How to update. Users can download Thunderbird 1.36.0 directly from the official website. Those using the Extended Support Release (ESR) version should note that the release channel now offers more frequent updates with new features. For a detailed overview of all changes and improvements, refer to the official release notes. By updating to Thunderbird 1.36.0, users can take advantage of the latest features.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and don't forget I'll be posting videos daily without missing any day. So don't forget to like my content, share my content on all social media platforms so we can build a larger Linux community and conquer the world with love. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my everyday content. Bye, have a wonderful day.